In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Moodle course page into another page. And this process is called backing up, which simply means creating a copy, and restoring, which is similar to pasting something in. So the first thing that you need to do is to open up the Moodle course page that you want to copy. So this is the Moodle course page that I want to create a backup of. Underneath the administration toolbar, click on Backup, and then where it says Include Enrolled Users, untick this. If you want to create a backup of the entire course page, all you need to do next is click on Jump to Final Step. And as you can see, the backup file has been created successfully. Once it's been created, click on Continue. Close the course page and open up the course page where you want to insert this backed up course page into. So we're going to close down this course page now. And here I've got open the course page where I want to insert that backed up file into. So to insert or paste that backed up file into this course page, under the administration toolbar, click on Restore. And then the file that we created the backup of should appear at the very top of this list. And you can check that by looking at the name of the course page and also the time that the backed up file was created. Once you've selected the file, click on Restore. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continue. Then scroll down and you'll see a section called Restore into this course. Now, if the course page is empty and there isn't any content in there already, it doesn't matter which of these options you choose. If there is existing content on the course page which you want to keep, select the first option, which is to merge the backup course into this course. If you don't mind losing any existing content on the course page, then select the second option, which is to delete the contents of this course and then restore. I'm just going to select the second option because it makes the process a lot quicker. Once you're happy, click on Continue. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on Next. Scroll down again and click on Next. Scroll down the page again and click Perform Restore. Then click Continue. So as you can see, we've successfully copied in our backed up course page into this course page here. If not all of the sections that you restored into the course page are appearing, you might need to increase the number of boxes on the course page. And to learn how to do that, please watch the other tutorial guides in this section.